Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see a new update on the Instagram. So you will notice that after updating the Instagram, the Threads badge is missing. So today we're going to see about the new Instagram update about the Threads badge on your Instagram. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, you just need to update your Instagram app on the Play Store. Then open the Instagram account. Now you can find that the batch of third batch has been missing. So you don't confuse and don't worry that Instagram updates bring the threads batch on the top. So first we just see the thread app batch with a numbering, but now it's just on the logo. You can find this logo on the top near the plus symbol, which we just actually post the reels and post and story. You can find the thread symbol on the top. Just click this, it automatically goes to the your threads profile. The same thing happened to if you find on MKBHD profile or my another profile, the same thing happened. The Threads logo has been gone to the app and you can't find on the profile in the bio section. So that's it, you don't worry, it's an Instagram update, so the Threads badge is not missing. If you are missing the Threads badge, click on the edit profile and here show Threads shortcut is turned off, so it might be missing. You just turn on the profile to show all the Threads shortcut, just turn it on the tool and it will show on the top. So I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video which is super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.